Ladies and gentlemen, I have been telling you since I started this discourse what is God, where is He, what you are, God is in you, like that. And all the things how I told you. I forget about it, whatever I told. Now
Today's subject is संतमत is the path of love, devotion and faith. संतमत प्रेम, श्रद्धा, विश्वास का मार्ग है.
Now I am thinking that it is complicated, you won't understand it. So I shall say you in few words, and that you will remember it. That will remember. The matter is the same, but I shall say you such a way so that you remember, not so many words. So Santmat said that Santmat say that this is the path, this is the way of what? Attachment and detachment. Attachment and detachment. Two words you remember. All will come in that. Santmat is a path or way, attachment and detachment. Attachment means to attach the Sant and attach all the world. Attach only with the Sant. Attachment means pleasure. You are my this and you are my all and all. Whatever you sing the song, you are all and this and that and that. So you took the body or shape of the Satguru, a perfect master, that he is all and everything. Because God is in him, God in you, God is everywhere. But suppose there is no God, but you make one. Satguru is all and everything. So you have to all the love, devotion, all and everything, attachment is with Satguru. And detach is from all worldly thing. All worldly thing. Your all the near and dear, wife, husband, this and that, and son, daughter, relative, neighbor, friend, all are for detach. To understand that he is there, they are not go with you. But in the technique, the sense of this time, told the technique. Previously, what happened in olden time, when they get this idea that none is mine, it is called Vairag meditation. None is thing, go with me. So he left the home and ran away. Either a king or a laborer. It was previously theory. So the Sant of the today thought that he has lot of debt to, he came here to clear all his debt, whatever he did in the past life. So he returned or he come here again in the life. And he ran away. Then he thought, she said, no, this is wrong. If you run away, that is nothing clear. So you stay here in the people, and they told you technique, politics. Politics is there's political sense like that. So politics you. Suppose your mother is there and complain their wife is not working, say, mother, that is to you. If you say something wrong, then people what would say? And the wife comes, say, she is old, you are the owner of this house. Politics here. You are talking wife something else and mother something else. Suppose they have both no cooperation at all. Their nature is not matched. So mother says, your wife this and that. Mother, whatever she came here. So better to toilet someday. It is beyond his family is not so good. So he learned from there. And tell the mother, we mothers, and tell her that she is not what to do. This is politics. And when you, your wife, you say, this old lady, she will go very soon, or after some time, you are the owner of this house. Why you worry? You told it what he says, this is mental, old is also, the mind is not working. Tell to the wife like this and mother like this, so there is cooperation. This is politics. So Santmat told you the technique like this. Santmat said that none is go with you. The other attachment are all totally there is another thing to you. to detach from all the things. Your body, this and that, and brother, sister, no will go with you. Your body will not go. Your bank balance will not go. When you go away, everything is here. Santma say, so you know you need not to know further. But technique is this: if you say like that, your wife, you are not my son, they won't like you. And if you are in old age, you go away somewhere. If we are not yours, then why are you saying it to you? Do not to tell them, oh my son, how dear you are. My daughter, how lovely you are. Wife, how lovely you are. Tell them technique. This technique you are saying here, you are all and everything. When you both meet, you say, without you, my life is nothing. You are my life, all and everything. You say that, love. So they play the drama. You know that she will not go with me. You know that he will not go with me. But how long you are with both, then they praise one another, each other. And know that no will go. So knowingly you make this drama. And for all that detachment you tell, oh, you are all and everything. This is my property, I make parents this and that. So the people. But think, and this is nothing. This is a parayam. If tomorrow not, it will be here. No attachment. But they show the attachment. So Santmati is the way, short, understood? Attachment and detachment, both. Attachment is, I tell you what is the technique of attachment.
Yes.
You show the technique that you are attached, all I am with you. And you understand yourself that none go with me. None go with, this is the attachment. All and everything, this is drama. Understood?
Yes.
Attachment and detachment. But for the attachment you have to show the drama. Not think that he is mine, nothing. Everything we are go. No one go with us. When we shall go alone. This is attachment. She will not accompany me. But how long she is here, what to do? What to do? Show the love. And do the love. And prem. And love means, I told you what is love for the husband and wife love. Wife is to love, not to fuck. Otherwise your energy will go low. Wife and husband both. You both go, suppose you are, and after that you will have mental, and sometimes you go to the scientist, and the neurosurgeon give you some medicine, and half of the body is mental. Half of the body. But they do not registered. Those who are registered, they are mental, otherwise not. Half mental. It means not so mental through the clothes. The sense is there. That is blessing. So you understand this word?
Yes, got it.
Very simple two words. Attachment, Santmati is the path of attachment and detachment. Detachment means that none go with you, all the attachment you think detach. And Sant only, to whom you think God, think that he is all the love, he is by all and everything. He is all in everything in this world. Love is there. There is attachment. Your attachment all close and put in the Sant, in Manoman. Your attachment from all the things of what thee. So Santmati is the way of the attachment and detachment, both. And technique is, what is the detachment? You do not solve the people. I do not escape from here. Otherwise, how you will clear the debt of that? Suppose this Mrs. has to take something from you, you happily give. And suppose that he is always not unhappy, so the angerness. Madam, you are very intelligent. I am not so, like that. Drama. Do the good drama. So she do not recognize. Suppose that there is a girl, he is acting in the cinema hall, and we are enjoying this. So she is talking with the good, good well, and this and that, and very lovely. We think that she will marry her. And actually she is doing this drama. In house there is a son, and his husband is there. His husband is with his child, and he is showing that. So that drama. Understood? When she can play such a good drama, then why not we? we play the drama. Santmat is the way or path of the attachment and detachment, both. Understand? All your love or all your belief, all your faith you put in that. You are by all and everything. One place. And he is God. Because in you God is talking, in him God, he is God. Whatever the God is power, he has blessed. In his thinking, whatever he think. So he thought such a power, whatever he want, he can build a building, kind of kira vagara like that. So many good things. Can you attend the technology? Nahi. All and everything man do it. So he is God. Understood it?
Yes, got it.
Into what is the name?
Yes, fine.
I need not use not what.
Fine, fine.
Next.
Next is there are 4 type of service in the संतमत. 4 सेवा बताई हैं. Service of body.
Yes.
तन की सेवा.
Body.
And service of money. Service of mind and intellect. मन बुद्धि की सेवा. And service of meditation and practice. साधन अभ्यास की सेवा.
That is right. So Sattvin Seva, but the olden thing, in olden days, it is right. It is right. Because Santa, 1 or 2 disciples, he was an old man, so he needed the body seva. So it is written like that. I said that in Hindi better. You make English. औरत सेवा नित्य करे, काम क्रोध में चित्त से हरण, चरण दबावे, पंखा फेरे. In those days there was not such a fan. In the olden time, in the time of Radha Swami or something, there is no fan. So, fan is small. चरण दबावे, पंखा फेरे, चक्की पीसे. There was no grinding thing. So चक्की पीसे, पानी भरे. मोरी दो, झाड़ू को धोए, खोद खजाना मिट्टी डावे, काट पेड़ से दांत लावे, बट्टा स्नान करावे, अंग पूछे, धोती पहनावे, करे रसोई भोग द्रावे. Like that. It is body the seva.
Yes.
And nowadays no did it. But the gentleman came from very far for that purpose. So there are so many seva. You can change. So nowadays seva is changed. Body the seva is not needed. Body the seva is not necessary. Because we can't do it, all the seva. Which is we can do easily, that is coming there. So you had a lot of seva.
Yes.
Brought the money, lot of money and put you do. So you use that money not for yourself.
Yes.
शिष्य को ऐसा चाहिए, शिष्य to Guru को give all and everything. And Guru say,
take nothing.
Do not want anything. He should not use. Shishya also, the disciple should give all and everything to Guru. Or Guru should take nothing from Shishya. This is the way. If Guru desire for from Shishya, that is not Guru. Guru means he give all and everything. He has so many things. He bless you to be whatever you want, you will get it. Like that. So
Yes.
So all this service is nothing. What is this so? It was the olden time.
It was applicable in the old time. He is saying the service of the body means the disciple or the seeker do everything for him which is required day-to-day basis. It means he serve as a servant. He assists him day-to-day activities. So, but in modern time, today's time, it is not necessary. It is not required.
But necessary for him, not herself. So you brought the 1,000 rupees here.
1,000 euros.
How much is 1,000
euro?
He come here euro and give to me. I do not demand, but he give all right. So told the gentleman what to do. You take it. I am not taking it. Take it and put it separate and spend in the for knowledge. What is so that he will get his knowledge. For his knowledge, that he will get and supply it. That is way out. So service is necessary, and he should serve. If he do not serve, he won't get anything. If we have not give something, then he will not get anything. Give and take. Whatever you give, so he will take. If you not do service, won't get something. But service is different. In olden time, different, and today is different. So this, the present Sant, your Guru will not say, repeat the same thing. And no time is, suppose that the older doctor gives something else, and today doctor thinks that the disease is this, and so this. Change, not repeat all the patient to take one medicine. What disease he is suffering, he will diagnosis, understood, and try to, if it tested by machine. And he think, and then he gives medicine. The Guru is like that doctor. He says, you are what to do, what is necessary for you, he will say to you. Not one thing for all. Here say, come for name. Oh, sit and learn. Thousands of men. And they say name, they repeat this name. This is Rama, 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 Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Allahu, Allahu, Allahu. Oh God, assist me. Vaheguru, Vaheguru, like that. These are different names. They are not names, but to engage the mind, concentrate it. Simply concentrate. Now, where? Now, Chothe Padmai. Yesterday I told you. Yesterday where? Not in body, not in mind, and not in soul. The white color.
Next
light,
topic is this.
Light. And not in the Surat Sabad. Surat. Surat means spirit, and Sabad means internal voice. And that is the content of the last voice. So many voices there, so them. So I shall explain them. सेवा फोर तरह के तन मन धन है, धन की भी है,
हाँ जी,
व्यर्थ है, श्री से वाणी से भी है. मन बुद्धि क्या है? To tell the go and sit alone and concentrate your mind. Concentrate here, and the mind not concentrate here, there. So concentrate your mind. That is the बुन बुद्धि की सेवा.
Okay, okay.
और last is the Surat Sabad.
Okay. What is the real name or God sound and where it is?
You show them.
First is Sastradal Kamal.
I told you here. This is the Sastrakar. There are flower, so many in that is. There is nothing flower. What is that? The mind. The idea come, the thought come, go. Idea come, go. Shape come, go. Whatever impression, suggestion, the subconscious of mind, that develop in the conscious. So you do not run after them. They are let them come, go, let them come, go. Which is purposeful, which is for your purpose, you catch that. Not all the idea. He says something, a man began to say, keep quiet, do not take it true. This happened yesterday, this and that, and this and that, and this and that. What he is full of, so he will reject all. So do not take his. Whatever he say, it is feeling in his mind. And he want to first clear that. You don't run after that. Don't take true. Your purpose, if purpose thing, that you take, other not. So this is but if you concentrate that and think about that, you're lucky. If you think that true, then you think so many times. This is true. If you hate them, then bad karma, bad luck. So not to hate them, not to think true. Whatever the people are speaking, let them speak. You do not go with the advice. Your purpose thing, you listen the purpose. So when you are not going to doctor, people are telling something about the God and something like that, you listen. But do not take it true. Whatever thought in his mind, what impression, suggestion he got, so he will tell you. If you go in the satsang is a different think this and that. That is only in his mind, a depression. That is not true. That is not what the Guru who say, to whom you think that is Guru, that you take through. Because he is all and everything for you, God. And if Guru do not say, then there is a 420. 420 Guru sitting there, and people go there, bowl, oh, this and that. Guruji, darshan kado, darshan kado, darshan kado. What is darshan? He should say something. Darshan means that when you have faith, then you will get something. When we don't faith, He said, do not say anything. We not thinking that's right. What we get? So Guru means ideal there is a patthar, stones, statue in the temple or in church. You go and bow them. That is nothing. Don't life at all. So you don't bow there. You bow the man who is living, and he is God. Anything more?
Yes. At first stage, sound comes of bell.
First time you concentrated here, it means that the sign that you are fully concentrated. Then, as a church you see, turn, turn, turn. So is here.
Bell sound will come there. Or sound of a conch shell.
Second stage, here. Om, Om, Om ki dhavani come. But you remember one thing, not for all the same thing. Somebody have changed. The perfect master know about it. Yes. What is third place?
Om or Nagada sound.
This is Om.
Nagada. Yes, the Om is there. Yeah. This Om sound.
The sound is Om.
Om or
and sound is Dam, Dam, Dam. Or Om, Om. That is sound. Yeah, Dam, Dam. According to nature of man, not one.
First stage, this bell.
First stage bell. Bell and yellow color.
Bell and light will come of yellow color.
Yellow color.
On second stage, I'll give it to you. No need to write it, please.
You take this wall.
Yes,
All the
I'll give
stages,
it to you.
What name they say in the Vyasa or anywhere you have got, that is in that. That all is here. So he said, from where you got this picture?
Yeah.
From where you got this picture?
Internet.
He found the internet. How intelligent he is.
And at the second stage, Om sound will come and red color light will come.
Red.
Or there may be a Nagada sound. Yes,
sound of the
beating
dam,
of Nagada.
Dam or Om.
Or there may become cloud thunder also. Badal ki gadgadahat.
Badal Gadahat means यहाँ पर क्या कहते हैं इधर? Badal Gadahat also in the same thing.
The second stage.
It's the second stage. Here
Light
you
will be of red color and these sounds may come. It depends on the nature. There may be this sound also
Yes.
at second stage.
Other?
Damru.
Damru here. Where?
Trikuti.
Trikuti.
Yes.
This
is the third
this
stage.
is one place. That is all is in one place.
Yes.
Trikuti.
Please explain this. No, center of knowledge. Gyan
Center of
knowledge.
This may come. Then other. Next.
Third stage is Sun. The sound will come here of this instrument, Sarangi.
Sarangi. It is the third place.
If you meditate at third place,
First place, yellow color
Sastrakar.
and well. Sound of the well. Second place, Om ki dhavani hai to other.
Nagada.
Otherwise, dam, dam, dam. Otherwise, other. So many things. Alag. So separately the Guru knows according to nature, he will explain you here.
This is third place, Sarangi.
Sarangi and
Moonlight.
Simple light, moonlight. And there is what? Pleasure and masti. Happiness all the time. Suppose you have taken 2 peg of the whiskey and that is happy. A third place, if you go to the fourth place, that is not good for you. Sun, Masun. Masun is not.
Masun.
Not so in it. Not so in.
Veena.
No, not so in it.
Okay.
Masun not so in because this is the thing.
Okay. He don't want to show
man
it.
don't work anything. That is bad place.
This is the instrument. At the third stage
Third
of
place.
Sun, the sound will come of this instrument and light will be of
And
moonlight.
Place is little up the middle head. Here. Again.
Mahasun.
Oh.
Next to Mahasun is Bhavar Gufa.
Soham. And that is, I am the same.
Yes.
And I am the white color. The voice comes, Soham, I am the same. So this is the fourth place. And now again.
Now, Satlok, voice of being.
The others were not explained, itself only five things.
Okay, okay.
Five things.
Leave.
First is Sastrakar,
Okay.
then
Trikuti,
Omkar, then Dharankar, then Sohankar, then
Sankar,
Satyakar.
Satyakar. Okay.
Five names is given in five districts. Other is there also, but other is not shown.
Okay.
I
Fine.
am telling you the theory of the Radha Swami. Actually, I am not agree with anything. I know it. It is according to their nature. They told it. Whatever they have told, whatever they know, whatever they realize, that is right. But mine is something different. Yes.
Yes. In the Satlok, sound of instruments, this bean instrument sound will come, and very white light, very bright white light. But that is cool. Or there may be a flute sound also.
And how you take that there is happiness. All the time, happiness.
Says Sathasi Deep
You play
Nivasa.
so many games there. The spirit is so much spirit there, countless, and they are playing new thing and always in happiness. Always. Satkhand. Satkhand.
Yes,
And this, the man suppose that at a dying time, this light of the Satkhand came, he will not come down. He will not come on this earth. Because that is the different zone. Whatever you did here, he is here. Suppose a man of the India murder somebody here and go and cross the land of the India, reach to England, London. So there is not this light. Nobody go to catch him and punish him. Because whatever he did in India, that other country don't touch him. This is the law of India. He is punished like that. But the law of other country is different. So when they don't throw, they don't take action. They don't catch him and put in this jail. No. Because they are not safety. Same way, when a man is crossed this land of this world and gone to the light, then there whatever you did here, sin or whatever the trouble given, some or murder somebody, something, so many crime you did here, that is not applicable there. All is gone here. Because you cross the land of that. If a man dying time, die and see the white light, enjoying the Satlok, Satkhand, and die there, then he will not come in this land back. He always live there, and that is called the heaven. Always happiness, always happiness, always happiness. But he did not reach the destination. Destination is far from there. From the heaven is here. Heaven is a pleasure, place of the pleasure and happiness. Always pleasure. But when the perfect master will show you that this is always happiness. And if sometimes not happiness, then what will happen to you? So you do one thing, your manzil, your destination is further. Your real home is up, not here. See where? Go with it up. So from here, you will concentrate here. This small boys of 2-3 months, tip, they are here. Have you ever seen? You have seen the small boys here, tip, this.
On the skull of a newborn baby, there is a spot which keeps very soft spot that keeps on like this.
Very soft here. It is very soft. And
newborn baby up to 4-5 months also.
So this is called the Alakh Niranjan. This is the point of this.
At that place.
At that time start the name of the God from there. At the starting there is no light. Simply your soul, simply your spirit is there talking in you, God's part. And the God's share is there. God's share is supposed to sound. Sound is the last manjil of the God. Sweet sound, that is not this sound. So many sound is there. No, that is different type of the. But we cannot relate that.
Alakh sound. Alakh is sound.
Alakh is the way here. If start from here. But that is not Alakh Niranjan. They say that cannot be touched and see. You cannot relate with your tongue. You cannot write on the paper. Cannot explain it, that you can realize it. Realizing means to realize. Suppose I am jaggery eating, what are you? Jaggery. How it is so sweet? Is it equal to the sugar? No. It is like the laddu? No. It like the mango? No. So that is different. That cannot be said. It cannot be written. So I told, cut it some jaggery and give to you. And you take. Then you realize it. This is realization. This is realization. You test the good jaggery test is this. Only chewing. So that is to realize it. Practical. So you. So for this thing, the perfect master realize you to come here. And from here, the way is very short. Destination is very short. So there is another thing, Agam. Agam Purus. Agam is a lok there is also learned. So the source, the spirits are there, but then cannot be related what type, what he think. And I not stay there. From here, direct I reach to here. I do myself do not stay there. But here I stay long time. 8 years continually. After 8 years, one day something happened, incident with me. I was sitting in the officer mess, and all the people, officer was playing card and drinking wine, and engaged in it. So far, the food is being ready. That is dinner night, special night. We celebrated in government of English. I myself was senior at that day. So I had time thinking, this thing that here, and automatically come to here, and senseless. As we go in deep sleep, senseless. So the Subedar saw other officer, he sat before me, and he sit at my place, my chair, of dining table. He saw there and calmly come, sir, you are sleeping? What about yourself? When you are so senior man and you are sleeping, the holder reported to you that food is ready, order be gone, you are sitting here. I come, yes. Calmly I went there, took the food, and through there I think, what happened this? What happened this? For that I took leave from the army and went to Pandit Fakir Chandji Sharpur to ask it, what happened, how did that? Then he explained me that you reached this is destination. At last this is thing you will mix with the God. But you have so many debt, so clear, to take and give. So as far the not clear, you will come again and live in this world. And when you clear all the debt, then you don't go. You come in the sound and mix here. Always mix with the God. And the body people took it and put in the cave, this and that and you yourself come there and mix with God. At last. So it was the talk of the 1962. This incident happened on 1962. I was at Delhi Red Fort. The thing he pointed, I remember. So many new incidents happened. Today is also. Some whom you came this and that, and I did not go there. Yeah, yes, I say, say you believe, whatever you want you will get. Whatever you wish, so you do it. You will get the thing. I simply say that, whether he got it or not. I don't bother about it. If you believe in me, he will happen. He will get. If you not believe, not. That depends. I do not know. If he good luck, he will get. If he bad luck, he won't. I don't care. But I give positive idea. Positive, I never give negative to anybody. Happen or not happen, I don't care, because I don't want to be a center of big one. No. I don't want anybody come to me. This is no, nothing. If the thing happened, that's all right. If the thing not happen, that is right. All right. All is all right. What he do, I accept them all. God will do good for me. If you are not, if suppose that I am going to railway station and really left 2 minutes before, then I not regret. It is good for me. If there is some incident by in the train or some quarrel or some thief, something happened and that saved me. This is God did good to me. I not feel regret. Oh, meeting is there, such and such. Don't overlook. Carefree for all. And this is called the salvation in the life. And detached from all. For the issue, the thing is happening according to my wish. The happy, if not happen, that is far better than that. Also other.
Anam. Next to Agam is Anam.
Anam means that there is no name for God. We so call him by so my name, but there is no name for him. He is all and everything, he do all and everything, but he has no name. People call him different names, this and that. Some say God, some say this, some say Ishwar, and so many happen in his mind. So that is not all true. You make that all. You are the power of the God. If you remember the Balaji will come. If you remember some Guru, then he Guru come, not Guru come. I myself not go. Many people report me that you came and they told me this and that, this happened. It is, oh, very, very, thank you very much. I say, I did not come you, but you have faith in me, so I come there. If you have faith in the God, if you have faith in Isamasi will come and help you. But no come Isamasi, no God, no nothing. Because when I myself do not go and tell the Gurus of the world, written the book, if I am wrong, can't they show me the way? If I am wrong, I am not claiming that I am all everything. If I am wrong, so many people have believe in that, and I say that is nothing, you are all and everything. If you have anything wrong, and you prove it, that you go there and do, kindly help me. Kindly help. I do not claim that I whatever. It is my experience. My experience, when I do not go, then who would God come to you? Who come to you? It is your faith. Where your faith, so you create that. You are all and everything. You are all and everything. You have power. And the thing is that you have no knowledge about it. So I giving you true knowledge according to my experience. And this is new thing which I am telling you. None tell like me what I am telling to you. No Guru, no tell, not written in such a way. This is first of Fakir Chandji, who wrote, or next I am. Fakir also said the same thing. If people remember me, they produce my shape and say, Baba came this and that, I do not go. And the same way I did. It is the first time when Fakir Chandji or any Shastra, any culture not written that he come or not. And people who, they never declared that I did not go. None has written like that. So this is first time you are getting this knowledge from me that you are all and everything. You have not believed in that. If you believe that God is with me, what do you fear? What to fear? You have no fear at all. You go in night and suppose so many enemy to you, let them. You are not enemy of it. You think that God is in them. God is in them, they are good men. But they have no knowledge, so they are crying like that. So God bless them knowledge. So knowledge is all and everything, and knowledge will give the perfect master, who is expert in the theory and practical. And that you find out very well. If you go to him, you should not have any doubt. If you have doubt, then he is not a perfect master. So I give you a chance, not the other places. So when there is one man is there, Sevak, standing there. Well, sit. If you go to ask a question, sit down. They do not let you to speak. I have no mind. Whatever you want to ask, he ask me. The Santamati is the path of attachment and detachment, both. Attachment, all attachment we put this through. He is all and everything, my brother, sister, husband, pati, patni, that all is he. And this is, none is many of other thing. It's a detachment. All the wife, husband, the property, house, whatever you claim that is mine, that is not yours. You are ignorance. Because here you are here, the thing is with you. You breathe out, nothing. All is here. You go empty, came in the empty hand and go empty hand. Which cannot area. Do you understood this? You finished? Any doubt, gentlemen? No, you ask the question.
Any questions?
Question.
Maharaji, when a meditator is, for example, in the first stage, Sahasra, yes, and then he goes to Trikuti, can he be in one time in both of these stages? The same with the next stages? Or is he always in one?
The gentleman is asking that when we start meditation, the first stage is Sastrakar. And is it possible to be at two places at one time? Sastrakar and also on the Trikuti. Can we feel both? Can we experience both?
This is connection. Both. This place is some places said that in the olden time the name was Sabalpuram. It will be included in the Sastrakar
and Trikuti. They took
Om.
in one. Sabalpuram.
So Sabalpuram one.
And Sudbaram. Sudbaram.
Sud. Clear. Pavitra. Pure Brahm. That is the concentration of the Sun, Sarangi, and the light, little light.
Yes, but when you are in one place, do you have consciousness of all the lower places?
You need not, if you realize one place, never you go there. You understood this. If I try myself, I do not stay here, not to come. If I want to do it, I don't, because I not meditate. So who told me? Satsangi. Satsangi are doing like that, and I understood, oh, yeah, this is that. Satsangi say here, I this and that. Then I think this is the thing, all right. Whatever written in the books of this Vyas, or whatever written in Radha Swami Faith, or other is that he thing. What is their experience, they wrote it right. And no Satsangi say me. Satsangi said so many Satsangi like that. And different they say, I saw nature is different like that. It is not one nature. So this place is सबके only or not. But there is one name for two things. One day. Here whatever you realize, so you have to hear. You have to hear, mostly hear something. Here is only the worldly thing you get. This place is only you worldly thing. House, wife, this and that, and whatever you get from this, what you demand. And here is the place of the knowledge, whatever knowledge. This is recently researched again, good man. So I agree with this one. That separately. He said, I do not mix both things. It was the olden days, Sant. I do not believe in that. I say here they're different and here is different. But previously they make one name for both. And one name for both, and one name for both. Simply like that.
Is it clear to you?
Yes. Yeah, please ask you or then don't.
When you are in Satlok, then you are only in Satlok, or you have the consciousness of all the lower places?
He is saying that when you experience Satlok, this white light, then you have consciousness, vivek of the lower planes also, lower places also at the same time.
No, I never experience like that. I do not do it. I need not. I have no desire to lower experience.
Come down. He started here only.
When you pass, suppose as MA, you need not to come in
primary school.
12th class. Suppose you do the PhD, You need not to do again MA. Yes, anything more.
Why we must go to these places? I mean, what is the effect on the mind and on the spirit? Each place, what effect has it? Has it a positive effect, negative effect?
Yes, understood. You give him. Lordly.
He is saying that when we meditate on these places, say Sastradal Kamal, we meditate here. What will happen to us? What we will feel?
Huh?
What is the effect on our mind? How we feel there on these places when we meditate here? When we meditate on Shastrakar, what will happen? And when we meditate in Trikuti, what will happen?
You will get all and everything worldly if you concentrate this place.
First place.
Worldly thing, which is touchable, seeable, all the things here you will get. Worldly thing you will get. To concentrating first stage here, Shastrakar, you will get all the worldly thing, not the other. Worldly thing what you want, soul, soul this is soul.
Physical.
Suksham, this is picture only simply. So whatever you concentrate here, first is wife, husband, house, this all and thing, vehicle, all detachable. Son, daughter, like that. Worldly thing in the world, whatever you want, you get your first. This is what it is. First stage you studying, you will get very soon. This. And second stage, you don't come this worldly thing, but mix here. Mix. If you want to realize the worldly knowledge, you will get worldly knowledge. If you want to see the upper thing, you will get upper thing. The upper knowledge. So the second place have this quality. Where what you want. If you want worldly thing and staying here, then you will get it. You come down. You can come down here, but in other places not. First place is that you worldly thing. Second is knowledge. What knowledge? Of the worldly thing. What knowledge? Of the high. Suppose that you want to hear and you want to, suppose somebody has son lost 3 months ago, 3 years ago. Some lady's husband was lost somewhere, not come to the home, and she is weeping for her separation. So she go with some called, first their name is Sant Pandit Purohit. Pandit. One is one Brahman, Rishi-Muni, and second is Pandit. Pandit means Sant. So go to him. This happened to me. My son, my husband. I go on. So very easy. This knowledge you want. So you concentrate, seeing his picture. They concentrate. You see that he is sitting in the Bombay such and such house. Power has you. You find out. And awake, he is in sleep repose because he forget it. So awaken. You are sitting here. Your mother, your wife is waiting for you. You go there very quick. Say him that, and you come. And after that, he will come in 2-3 months. And after 2-3 months, he come. This is the worldly thing. And central thing is, what is happening in the Satlok? What is happening in the Satlok if you want to know? Then you have to come here. It says, if from here, you see this simple sign. चमत्कार को क्या कहते हैं?
Miracle.
Miracle, that is miracle for some time. They said something like that. So here you think what knowledge you want, you get of this world or the other world.
Thank you, Maharaji. And in the next places, place number 3, 4, 5, Satlok, is it always more happiness coming then?
Michael is asking, when we meditate next to Trikuti, here in the Sun, third place,
Yes.
what will be there? Masti means, and in the Satlok, more happiness than this?
Yes. In Satlok is more happiness, because always happiness. This is intoxication. Took, and for 2-3 years after that gone, and that Satlok never go. What experience you get in Satlok, you will see that is permanent. And that destroyed, not destroyed. This place is destroyable. The happiness. Sometimes you are happy, then that is, sometimes you become unhappy. So that is intoxication. That is to drink the 2 pack of whiskey and nasa, like that. But in the sometimes it is not you forget it, then you feel trouble. So this thing is not true, it is destroyable. Happiness is. But Satlok is not destroyable. No, not destroyable. Satlok, whatever is in the Satlok, that is correct. The light is give all and everything, and you are happy. Those who stay there, always happy. And play the game, this and that, new thing, and they are happy. Always happiness. So you get always you are happy. That is called Satlok. So that is the true, Satlok is true, or the below are not so true. They are destroyable.
Now we get there quickly.
But
He is asking how we reach there. So in Satlok.
very easy, in your thought is so power, if you desire, if you wish, automatically, because you wish such a power, your strong desire is such a power, you can do, you are godly one. What power God has, so the man has. Proof, you see on this world, the Delhi, all the Delhi's man desire, so the constructed, Lal Killa, this and Juma Masjid, this and this temple, this and that. So man made that all.
So we pray to you that we can get there.
He is saying you give him blessings that he reach there in Satlok.
Yes, always believe. I bless you. God may bless you, so you get all this, whatever you want. But if you believe then, if you believe in me, otherwise not, I have no power at all. If you believe that the captain told me, that thing will happen. If you faith like that, then you will get strong. That anything may change, but that is not change. The power in you. You believe and you will get. Whatever you want, from my blessing for you, whatever you want, you will take. It will take some time. That's the due course of time.
Is it you or is it the belief who is making this?
What's it?
He wants to reach there in the Satlok, and you said, I bless you to reach there.
Yes.
So it is because of your bliss or because of his faith?
His faith.
His faith.
His faith is
Your
all.
faith.
His faith is all. I have no power. I have learned this. I give positive ideas. And those who accept and believe, they will be success.
So it's your help too.
Power in you.
If you believe.
Power in your belief, not my. I to give positive ideas. Because I want to give the positive idea. I am a true man. I do not tell lie that I do this and that, and you no. Power in you. I have no power. Anything more.
When you talk now to us, where you are, in Satlok or other place?
Oh, tell clear. Record.
He is asking that now you are talking, you are giving speech, and what experience you are having now, right now, where is your spirit?
If I go there, then I am senseless. I mean sense and the things which are realizing. God's name, the internal voice, I realizing all the time. Continue. I'm not talking to you and continuing.
Which stage is this?
Alak.
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 Meaning from here to here. No, nowadays rounding here. Not enter, then come. I do not enter the door. If I enter the go,
Unconscious. He will become
and
unconscious.
so this is natural.
Yes.
I have nothing to do. I never try anything. Simply only to see Baba Fakir, to touching his radiation, he awaken me, not the world, this and that. I will not believe. His radiation. In your faith is already everything. If you have no faith, nothing. Because you are God's, yourself is God. God is in you, but you have no knowledge about it. I am telling you clearly, you have power. And men have no belief in that. And if you first day you curse, oh God is with me, He is all everything. But though there is no shape of the God, so you make one. For your help you make one like you, so that you can ask Him, remove your doubt, and that is the manner you can ask. That God you don't approach.
Maharaji, but you not need any help. You are with God now. God is your help in this moment.
Clear.
Michael is asking, do you need any kind of radiation or help from the God? You experience always this alak sound or around this anam. So do you need any outside help?
It is naturally goes on. I do nothing and try. Naturally. Kudrati. Naturally,
Automatically.
I do nothing. Simply. I never Rama Rama Krishna. No repetition at all. Simply sitting in front of Babaji, and he went in his samadhi, and radiation was there, so radiation awakened me direct here. Not this way, here, this, no. Direct here. And direct adak. And when I told him, standing in the, again, pull the pipe, at that time I stand up and told, Babaji, I realizing this unexplainable pleasure, because my attention is putting up, and here is something is putting to me up, and the pleasure is so that I cannot relate it. What is that? He see me, sit down, take chair. No, I sit. He said that you reach the destination. This is the way to go to the destination. Not reach so, but this is the way. You are listening that thing, that is God's name. And you need not do anything. This is bhajan, this is name, this is all and everything. So you, slowly you do your duty first, religion after. Do duty first. Duty first and then religion. Okay. I do not understand that all these things. And when I come from there, my posting changed from Udi in Kashmir. I was Subedar and had come to Kota. He's the chief instructor of the center. There, I control one company senior and do their duty there. And get all where I go to work, success. And I tell whose company? Company is Guru's company. I said that Malik his, and people called me Guruji. Simply mazak. And wonderful service. No trouble at all. No problem. I feel no problem at all. All the problem, nothing. I do not know what problem is. Whatever he did, I did nothing. Whatever did he? He did all and everything. Here he is doing this. Not. You come, you are he, super being, a part of super being, and you come for desire. Such a man is exceptional. In the Western countries, such a man is exceptional. You are exceptional man. You do not know what yourself, but I know. I regard you. That you are exceptional man. Come, and you are lucky enough. So you are his wife, a company partner. You are lucky enough not to think ordinary. You are something else. I know it. And power in you, not in me. Power is in your belief and faith. The religion is on the faith, base, and then religion. If there is no faith, nothing that. And that is in you. Whatever you want, you say, whatever Captain said, that is right. It is right. It cannot be avoided. So I definitely get this, because he said that the words of the saintly man never wrong. It will be correct. Always correct. But for whom? Those who receive like that. to see a faith like that and see success in the life. So whatever you want, so you get. All the men have the same power and they are ignorant about it. So who gives it? Knowledge? Perfect master. Otherwise not. Who is perfect master? He, God. Full God you take it. Because full God not come to you, that is so power that we cannot talk with him. He no talk. So he come in shape of the man and perfect master. And that must be living, not the died. Who is not here, who will tell you? I am living, so I give something to you. Those who come in front of me, they should not be in doubt. But when they have faith, if they have no faith, I have nothing to. The faith is all and everything. You believe in that, you will get.
Maharaji, when we go back to Germany, we are not in your presence. We will miss you. What can we do?
He is saying that when we go back to home,
No.
how we receive your radiation. Now we are having your radiation because we are in front of you.
Always I am with you. I have so many photos he took. You take one of them, which is dear to you. And they look at looking that the radiation will come from there, automatic.
When we look on photo of you or film, is same radiation like now?
He is saying that he is in front of you and receiving radiation. But when go back home and see your photo, the effect will be same as like here.
Just a little difference. Little
There
difference
is a
is
difference.
this. Little difference.
Little difference.
It is depend on your power. If you have such a power, then you need not to go there always. But you forget this and that. So many work is there. So you are divided mind. At that time your mind is divided. And one should be concentrate. Anything more? Michael,
Maharaji-
understand me.
Yes.
All power in you are not knowledge about it. So you get knowledge from me, that is written the book all, 1, 2, from beginning to end, all. I have written all the things, whatever I experience, and this lady get them published all. And when I give this speech in the satsang, at that time I am not senseless. I am senseless, and whatever he say, so I shall say. I have no knowledge about what I am doing. Automatically the thing come on that. Those who are listen my talk in the internet, they get all everything. If you think like that, concentration is there. After that they say this and that, but forget, divided mind. So many things are in the mind, so impressions, they divided it.
Yes, Maharaj, if you want, it's okay, you tell him, Guru Base Banarsi Chela Samundra Tir.
This is saying,
Yeah.
the Guru is living in Banaras city, and Chela is beyond the ocean. Pray. एक मिनट बिसरे नहीं, always I remember. Always remember.
एक पल बिसरे नहीं.
हाँ.
Yeah.
जो गुण हो शरीर.
Yeah.
जो गुण से एक मिनट नहीं बिसरे.
Means the Guru, Satguru, true master is in India, in a city called Banaras, and the disciple lives 7 seas away, but he don't forget for a moment. He remember always, so he is connected.
You live in Germany, I live in India, don't bother about it. If you remember, I with you.
Any more questions? One more. Okay.
Maharaji, how many days or hours you spend in the presence of Fakir Chand Ji Maharaj?
Michael is asking that you most of the time you stay in the real sound, God's name. But when you forget, how much time you meditate for Fakir Chandji form?
I forget all and everything. Attention is going to Kirtan said. I am talking this here, and my attention is going in Manka Mandal, and I think for you, and forget your through your talk to order that I forget that. So in front of the Kirtan Ji Maharaj, I never think like that. But when I think, then I realize. In Kirtan Ji's presence, I took Kirtan Ji as he is all and everything. He is the God of the goddess, all and everything. And I do not tell from my mouth this and this you are. No. I will desire, suppose that he is taking tea slowly, and after taking the tea, he keep his part somewhere. Then I say he is the man who do service to him, Imam's an officer, railway officer. I told him, when Maharaji put the pot, and if you have drop of any tea, give me slowly. Nobody did. And Guruji क्या करता? Two. ਅਸੀਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸੀ ਇਦਾਂ ਕਰੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਔਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ two all the time.
He is saying that Fakir Chandji used to spit frequently, but when he drink tea and leave the cup downside, there is little tea in that, and he used to take that tea.
For thinking that I should
He
take
never hate that he is spit frequently.
So I should have the same ideas, whatever Maharaji. ये झूठा खाना कहते हैं ना उसको.
Thank you.